So today we visited a gorgeous park in Toronto called Tommy Thompson. It's one of my favorite places in Toronto because there's lots of water, lots of wildlife, and some really nice views of the Toronto skyline. There are 334 different species of birds recorded here, and we encountered quite a few. We saw lots of Canada geese, swans, ducks, and even a deer as well. It's really nice to see how many people come here to connect with nature and walk, run, or bike. And also in total, we biked 36 kilometers. We had a nice, long, enjoyable ride.